And now we are at Mogo Hill. It says the home of bears, baboons, and green monkeys. We are still on our journey to exploring the place. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like, and then follow us. We are continuing.
So they only move around when you're not around. When they see you, they'll hide.
So I'm up here. Hey, wow. Achimota Forest, is it still?
Oh yeah, it's still there.
Achimota Forest, Bibi Waho. Lions, Achimota.
Hey, who say? What will lion now?
Curiosity will always kill the cat. So is it? There's a tiny pet. So we are at Mogo Hill. Mogo Hill.
So this is where we start our hill climbing.
Hey, this is where.
So this is the first stage.
First. Fire.
You first a bag in the morning.
Hey. Hey, Jenna. Hey. It's a honey, not just it. Oh.
Yeah, for honey, be copy.
Mogo Hill. Mogo Hill. Hey. Hey, one. Wow. From our house. Hey, so all these slopes, not just it. I'm running them high.
I'm going to some one push out motion. Barefoot said no more than them.
Hey. Hey, sorry. Yeah, I'm sure they drink crana. Yeah, who me say na California. Wabre. Manati. Hey, another one though.
Wow, this one.
Wow. Hey. Jai. Hey.
Thank you.
Okay. Hey, buddy. Hey,
Climb this side.
We are climbing now. Yeah, mommy, so. Thank you.
Put your leg there and then.
Hey!
My house.
Hi guys. As you can see from the way I'm panting, before we pass back no, we are now at the infamous Mogo Hill at Shai Hills. Yes, this is Mogo Hill. The fields, Shai Hills Assassina Namuhuno, the antelopes roaming free. But all this is exciting. In fact, I have enjoyed myself so much. I'm still exploring. We are all here. We are having fun. It's not easy. Josh, show them down there. No more where we came from. You see, maybe I made me for free, you know. So to see, I know, the tour guide, our sweet tour guide, is taking us to the next place. It's, you know, keep on following us as we are also going. Then you are also
so here we have these oval shapes on the rock where the ladies practiced how to grind their pepper and their spices. So we can see them from this side. Side. So when you come, they give you a plain place like this. So the more they grind, they get the shapes. So you can see some there too.
Yeah.
And then up there is the viewpoint for the men, where they stay up to protect their females. So when they are up and then travelers are passing by, they can see it fast from here. They go after them, take their food and then feed the ladies.
Their eyesight must have been good though, because to stand here and then
see natural foods.
It's true, because it me like this. If I take off what I'm wearing, if I take off my glasses, the only thing I'm sure I will see very clear will be. I can't even go that far, but wow. So as our tour guide explained, this is where the young ladies know. This Shai Hills and Kasano done before no any crop before no, it is their land, and then they were in communities. So this Mogo Hill was where ladies or young girls who have had their first menses, this is where they live. And as she explained, these oval stones on the floor, that is where they were taught to grind pepper. And see, I said depot, no one send your depot, and sana or banyan a buninsa fresher. What you pass through, the rites of passage, you know, and no, they are preparing you so that you become a good woman or a good wife for your husband. So they are moving. Oh, the view is nice. So.
And then this one, the Lion King.
Yeah,
where they introduce
Kenya. It's Kenya, that place. Samananka. The leaves and twigs of the plant used for fever cold as a solution for toothaches.
Yeah, and also bear fruits where the animals feed on them, like the green monkeys and then this baboons. But the baboons, you see them at the roadside, but during night time they climb up in the hills and then sleep. The reason why they do that is because their eyes are not good.
They are not nocturnal. They are passing.
They're at the prayer machine.
This is not my papa near machine. I like the way you climb the place. So we are flying. We are flying.
You can see even up here too, they were grinding pepper, their spices here.
Wow. But where did they get the pepper from?
They were farmers. They have farmers and then this is the cotton tree.
Cotton tree, but guys.
So it's silk cotton tree.
Travelers, this is the I promise you, this is a silk cotton tree. I'm not, no worries. This is what we call a silk cotton tree. Make you feel not my one. Yeah, over here to no muchi mekonibi, the ancestors for no. The guy adangos and then the robos, your ancestors. No muchi mekowa. Yes. The circles. The honey na no muchi meko. We ban no more. Yeah. The fly. Yeah, the fly. Nice. Yeah. They shoot. The drone will pass over the savannah. Very nice. Shai Hills.
The baobab tree.
This one. Baobab tree. And you are normally adopted. I remember when I was in primary school, there was this story. The UV and the baobab tree. Oko froye. Boy be. Then kind of saying to come out then you. Oko froye. And a BBC yes who you. I'm not sure, but. Yes, something like that. Oko fro. Next time we'll bash a hill.
Shai Hills.
We are standing on top of where they were sleeping. There was a 4 year dinner, baby, and I'm ancestors, so no more than. Yeah, where they were sleeping. We are now going down there, so.
Yeah, the roof.
Yeah, the roof. We are going up in the echo chamber and hall, so follow us and let's go. We are going to the. So we are still heading towards the bedroom. I showed you the balcony. Yeah, the balcony. Now we are going towards Baby Omodano. Ghana has a lovely heritage, Joe. It's just that we are losing all of them small, but hopefully this is where they used to sleep. Hey, but they are bold. We are coming to me though.
Somebody can pass on.
Oh,
You have to use the room.
we are going.
Me, I met maybe, but because some moon you suit, I know.
But
I don't know.
Oh yeah, bear man, nice and yes,
Obi wo how o ti mi sane no. To say me to say me sane me more na ti mo me papa. To give me the stamina ba one on him. Also na wa ko bobo that doing.
Obodu a na your cover boss saying, "Oh, show me me bobo." Hey, so do I do side?
I can do side, you can also come back.
Already a show. I'll bring my family members. And come my mother, this is too good. I can't tell you something. I'm doing right now. I can feel my thighs.
Life. And also poetry of life, but when you come with Arabs, they try to hug it, and they say it gives an extra life.
Baba tree.
Baba.
No, Baba. It's Baba. It is not Baba. It is Baobab.
Ah, okay.
Baobab tree.
So I came to know that the Arabs told me. So I came for tour with them, and then they started hugging the Baobab tree. And then I asked them, why do you hug it? And then he said, they feel like it gives extra lives when they hug it.
So from our beautiful tour guide, the Arabs believe this tree, the baobab tree, gives an extra life. So
we go.
The ancestors, our ancestors, the honey on my bedroom, I had now moda. Yes, so after grinding pepper and training how to become good housewives, come on, better. As you can see, I'm panani. Yeah, it goes inside though. If you speak, it echoes. Wow.
So they did all these things. They put the rock over there so that
it won't fall on their heads.
No.
I know.
This one, it looks like someone did it.
No, it's natural.
Even for now. Natural. Amazing.
I'm sure I'm in a way a bit in Yako.
Yes, we are still on the Mogo Hill, yes, where our ancestors, crop of one garden before no. Your ancestors no about 1,000 years ago, BC. Ahanana omoda. Omuchime koniria, as I said. From our bedroom. As you can see, a honono. And then we also have the baobab tree, the tree of life, and that is where that is in fact, this has been an amazing journey. Just if you can see the way I'm panting alone, you should know that I'm on top of the world. A special thanks to our tour guide as well. She's been amazing. Yes, sweet perfection. Oh my God. And stick with us. If you've come this far, don't go anywhere. Share, like, subscribe, and then follow.
Here for more than 500 or 600 years.
They are very strong trees. Like, all jokes aside, they are very strong.
And you can see this side is like also a root from the tree.
Yeah.
It looks like rock.
Wow. The baobab. The tree is amazing, no. In fact, my favorite tree. Yeah, quite dear. Favorite tree. Hey, are we to calm down?
Yes.
Okay.